that's my moist hide or whatever. My cold hide. And that's my warm hide. Quicker, actually. My food, my water and calcium is my big stick, big plants, rocks. It's honestly really great. And, well, I like escaping. I like hurting myself in small spaces that are hard to get out of. People say I'm a troublemaker. I'm a little overweight, but I love running around. And eating. Eating is, again, my favorite thing. Surprisingly, I like exercise, unlike my brother. Bye!